Abby here at Meridian Technology Center, and today we're trying something new with Trio. And I have Kristi Lester here, who's a working mom of 3 and teaches our electric pressure cooking 101 class. So thanks for being here.
Yes, thanks for having me.
Of course. So, as with every Trio, we have 3 tips twice a month with one quick and easy way to simplify your life. So, I don't have an electric pressure cooker, but I've heard they can be kind of dangerous. Should I still get one?
You know, my mom was really nervous when I got one. Mom, I'm still okay. Everything's fine. Electronic pressure cookers are completely safe. And they do have an automatic shutoff valve, so if anything would ever need to happen, the pop-off valve would pop off and the steam would come out. Can the steam hurt you? Yes. But is it gonna blow through your ceiling? No.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good to know. So what are some ways you like to save time with your pressure cooker?
Time is a very important thing in our house. So you can cook your food about 70% faster by using an electronic pressure cooker. You can cook everything in one pot so you don't have a million dishes to do, because let's be honest, at the end of the day, who wants to do dishes? Not me.
Me neither. So what are some favorite things that you like to make in your pressure cooker?
Oh, it's hard to narrow it down. Soups are my favorite because it's quick and easy and it tastes like it's been cooking all day long. My next favorite would be pasta of any kind. You can cook spaghetti, you can cook mac and cheese. When you have a house with 3 little kids, mac and cheese is kind of a gourmet dish. So I'm so happy that we found this.
Sounds delicious. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yes.
And, if you want to read any more tips, click on the link on this post or visit us at meridiantech.edu/trio. Thanks so much.
Thank you.